everyone, and welcome back to We Made It Fit. Today I have an awesome leg and butt and quad workout for you again. And no, my hair is not red. There's just a red light and a shiny red in my hair, so it looks red, but it's not red, it's brown. Anyway, I have an awesome lower body workout for you. It's 4 sets with 2 exercises in each set, and you're going to do each move about 15 to 25 times. But you can definitely start small, especially if you're beginning. You can start out with 8 to 10 reps and work yourself up from there. I love leg day because honestly my legs have been my biggest trouble area in my fitness journey. My body naturally stores fat in like the outer thigh and hip area, and so it's taken a really long time to kind of whittle all that down. And working my legs has definitely taught me to just love every step of the fitness journey. Even if you're not satisfied with a certain body part and you're working hard to improve it, you just have to keep going at it every day, and you always have to remember that you're not going to see too much progress in a day, but over time that's going to add up, and it's always so exciting when you look back at the old pictures and you see how far you've come. So I love leg day. It makes me feel so strong, and I love the results. So never give up, enjoy the journey, and you'll get there. Alright, before we get into the workout, make sure you give this video a thumbs up to support your girl. Hit that subscribe button down below, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and my blog, and all those links are down below, and you can find me at We Made It Fit for all of those. And especially follow me on Instagram. I love Instagram the most, so if you want to find me, that's where you'll find me, and you'll see all these awesome workouts and fit tips. So Instagram and my blog, those are the places to go. Okay, so enough talking, let's go and get into the workout. Grab your barbell and let's work those glutes. Our first exercise in our first superset here is a barbell sumo squat to a side step, and I'm using a resistance band to put extra work on my glutes and activate them a little bit more and just get a good burn. As always with any squat, you want to make sure that you're sitting way far back like you're sitting in a chair. Make sure those knees don't go over your toes. And with a sumo squat, your feet can be a little bit wider than hip distance, your toes outward just a little bit. And always keep your back straight, chest nice and tall, always keeping good posture. Now for today's workout, I have 4 supersets for you, and you're going to repeat each superset 3 times through, and each move is going to be for about 15 to 25 reps. And as always, you can always decrease the reps, increase them, whatever floats your boat, just as long as you're making that butt burn. The next move in this first superset is a reverse barbell lunge. And with any lunge, you want to step far back as far as you can and bend down so both legs are at a 90-degree angle. Also make sure you're keeping your balance with this move. It's really focuses a lot on stability, so you want to squeeze that core, keep everything nice and tight, and always keep good form. You can see with this side view that you want to make sure you're stepping far back enough that your front knee is not going over that toe. And when you're bending down, both legs should be going at a 90-degree angle. Keep that back nice and straight. Again, tighten that core and push off with that back leg. Make sure you're squeezing your glutes the whole time. Moving on to our second superset, our first exercise is a kneeling half squat. So find yourself a Smith machine. You can use a free weight barbell, just make sure it's a little bit lighter of a weight, but all you're doing here is kneeling down on the floor. I have my knees on a mat just to add that extra cushion, and you're squatting back just like any old squat, sticking that butt way far back, and you're squeezing your glutes when you're coming up. Make sure that power is coming all from your lower body, so your upper body should be still. Everything is from the booty. This is honestly one of those moves that I love so much. It is such a good move, but I forget about it all the time. It's just the perfect move to mix it up, go away from the traditional squat, and just get a different kind of burn in that butt. The second move in the second superset is a leg press, and it's just a regular leg press here. My feet are hip distance apart, and I'm going down as far as I can, stopping at about 90 degrees and pushing back up, keeping a nice soft bend in the knees. If you don't have a leg press machine, don't like it, don't want to use it, whatever the reason is, you can always do lunges, squats, anything that will work the glutes, deadlifts. It's all fair game. Just work the quads, work the booty. Honestly, the reason why I've been putting the leg press in a lot of these videos is because I've been trying to up my weight, up my game, increase those quads and booty gains, so leg press is a great way to do that. Again, you can always find your own. Our third superset is 2 cable moves. So this first move is a standing hamstring curl on the cable, and you want to find yourself an ankle extension. My gym has one. You might have to buy one, but it's an ankle strap, put it around your ankle, hook it up, and you're just doing a hamstring curl. Make sure you're flexing that foot, keeping everything still. Tighten up that core. Only thing that should be moving is your knee. With the second move in this superset, we're mixing up the traditional deadlift with a cable deadlift using the rope extension. And just like any deadlift, you want to keep a nice soft bend in those knees as you go down, stick that butt way far back, and when you're pulling up, pull through your hamstrings and your glutes, keeping a nice straight back. This is just an awesome way to, again, change things up and just get a different kind of activation. I love this move. I should do more cable moves because these are actually really fun. Our last superset, set number 4, it's a lot of sets. We're just doing 2 burnout moves here, so lighter weight, and this first move is a yoga ball hip thrust, so it's different from, a barbell hip thrust. And I was actually told that this activates and targets the glutes a little bit better than a barbell hip thrust, because first, it's easier to set up than a barbell, and it keeps the strain off of your neck and your spine, and so you're able to keep really good form and really just focus on those glutes. For this, you want to roll down so your head and your shoulders are resting on the ball, and you just dip in that hip as low as you can. You can place a dumbbell on your hips to add a little bit of an extra burn, and you're squeezing your glutes to the top. Finally, the last move in this workout is a yoga ball hamstring curl. So you want to roll the ball in and out as far as you can, and keep your heels on the ball the whole time, hip distance apart, and also make sure you're lifting up those hips off the mat the whole time. Really lift them up high, squeeze those glutes, squeeze those hamstrings, and this is just an awesome burnout for the end. Alright, that was your lower body, leg, glute, hamstring, everything workout for the day. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Oh my god. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know if you want to see more leg workouts or any workouts for that matter. And give me a comment, which body part is your favorite body part to work? And maybe even share what is your struggle part right now. I would love to help you tackle it and get closer to your dreams. That is all I have for you guys today. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.